sale. No, no sale agua.
What's in tu cara?
You need to put it in my thing.
Yep. Do it like this.
Voltea. Patinat.
Yeah. Good job. Yeah.
Hey,
All
eres
over.
como un Santa
All
Claus.
over. Good. Want me to help you a little bit?
Papa, I want you to show it to Zippy.
Voltea, Shaishi. Shaishi, voltea.
Yeah. No, it goes with your mouth. And then put it in your mustache, yeah. Okay. Shove,
A ver,
shove.
voltea.
What?
Toma. Take. Yeah. Wash your hand.
Ouch. It's hot.
Okay.
It's so hot.
No, no, it's not so hot.
Papa.
Okay. Okay, now take your knife.
It's not a knife.
It's your razor. And now with your razor, take it all off and then wash it. And then now take more off. Yeah. Yeah. Shall I wash it? Now take more.
Hazte para atrás, Shaishi.
Then you have to wash it every well, yeah. Look, try. Look at mommy do like this. No, you're not done. You still have a lot on your face. And look at mommy.
Look at me, Tati. Chinillo, mi nene.
You still have some here. Here you have some, yeah. Do more and more. You have here, yeah. Now wash it.
It's done.
Now you have some more. Let me show you.
A lot more.
Here.
Tati. Tatino, shh.
I'm gonna have beard now.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna have beard now.
You're gonna have a beard now?
Yeah.
Yep. You started to shave.
Oh.
Once you start to shave, you have to shave every day.
No, Sibi.
Otherwise, you'll have a beard. Okay?
Titi,
Do I have a
chinito.
beard?
Sibi.
What?
Do
Sibi.
I have a beard?
No, after you shave, you don't have a beard. That's the whole point of shaving.
I'm only later.
Yeah. Let's check tomorrow.
No, Sibi.
Let's check tomorrow if you have a beard.
Okay, and then.
Yeah. Now you need to wash your face a little bit.
No,
in
no,
water,
no, no, no.
In
Water.
water. No, no, it will make it dirty. Put your face here. There you go.